นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโต
Hello everyone, welcome to WBP Stars. Today I gonna cook something and my name is Neil. I'm the chef cook from Jeera Thai, from Belgium, from Flanders. So it's me from Belgium. So we gonna make something very nice. I'm from South. Today I gonna make Thai sting bean. It's from South. It's where I born. From South, from Narathiwat. So that is very. I cannot taste it. It's a little bit bitter, so we're gonna leave it a little bit here. So and then I'm gonna make with shrimp whole. So it's today. We're gonna show you what is ingredient is today. We're gonna make is today we need we're gonna cook 2 dishes today. So first is Thai sting beans and second dish is papaya salad. It's very healthy food. Everybody know from Thailand is very healthy food. So today we're gonna start with this first. So everybody know Thai kitchen. So Thai kitchen is very. Some people say it's so difficult, but for me it's I'm small chef from Belgium, so from small Thai restaurant. So we gonna show what is. So everybody know is this citron grass, coffee, galanka, turmeric. That is our secret from Thai kitchen. It's shrimp paste. That is little bit smelly but make very delicious food. It's from that. We have garlic. We have also that's from coffee. It's from the tree. So it's the same, normally. But you can use this also make your food very good. We have onion. We have dry chili. We have three chilies. It's normally we have 3 chilies. We have fresh chili, dry chili, and also dry chili, but it's big dry chili. So it's that. So we let's start. So first, maybe we let's start first how to do the black tiger roll. So we're gonna let's start it here. Right now, gonna cut it. Gonna open it. We just need something. Yeah. So let them open. Let them open. So that is the normally you can use small one, but it's I think for me it's better taste for give the big one. It's a good size, so it's not too big, not too small. When you get too big, it make also your prawns is very hard when you buy. So I gonna let like that, and I let it clean. And we just, it's very important. So we cut it. Have to cut it very deep, because when you fry it, so you take it out, you clean it up. So you cut it a little bit. bit nice. You see, it's this one. So we take out it very clear. You have to cut it really, really deep. And it's gonna be, when we cook it, it's gonna be very nice open. And look very good. To be very clean. So, we let them. พี่นี่ก็นั่งต่อทำต่อไม่ได้ค่ะ So it's time to wash my hands. So now, we have already tiger pork, but we're going to put first in the before keep them cold. That is, you don't have bacteria inside your food. So now I'm going to show you how to make curry paste. So, everything what I say already, I'm going to let them mix them together all. So. Gonna let cut that's away. So cut them. You not need very much. You can add like 50 gram, I think, around that. It's for one portion, so normally it's enough. So we put all inside here. Cut the garlic. So everything what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop them first because it's more easy for them all. So if you chop them, we try to chop them all together. It's not very difficult when you cook Thai food. So somebody think, oh, but for me, I love to cook, so it's for me not really a problem very. So we chop shallot, chop kalangka. That is the hard part. It's so hard. Is that so? If can, you have to shoot is the young one, but that is, I think is young. Yes, that's right. So we chop them, and that is you need to extra small. So all dry chili. Another dry chili. We have big and small. The big one is make the color. You see big difference is the big one. It's like that. When you see you go to the market or you go somewhere. It's big one make the color red. That's its color. It's dry one that makes spicy. But it's I'm from South, so South people we eat very, very, very spicy. So it's normally it's that food is everybody know is so spicy. So that is freshly we add more freshly. And that we peel a little bit. So after that you chop them also. Then you lamb, caffeine. So we have it, everything now, and then don't forget, is South people we like to eat everything from us is yellow color, yellow. Is that is made yellow color from South food. It's turmeric. So we peel them like that. So you don't add too much also because it's gonna make very, very yellow. So, and then you chop them So now we have everything. So we're gonna make it. So we have. You need is that from my mama. It's long time I bring from Thailand, from where I born, and it's my lucky thing. So we put here, and now we have to. That is real. That is nice sound. Make them all like that. So see a little bit like that. So I think it's okay. Yeah. And we take out. Just take out. So do like. Just take out them. A little bit out here. Out. So it's ready. Just gonna put them away a minute. Let me have a can. Anh biết hành quá. So now we're gonna start cook what we need. In our food we already have garlic, so we not need them anymore, but we need for after papaya. So it's very easy. What we need is Thai steamed beef, chili paste. That's what we need. Baby corn, onion, a bit of this garlic. So do like that. So now gonna start to cooking. We heat it a bit fire. Have to put it very hot. You need it real hot. So I'm just very little. I just go take my tiger pot. We're gonna cook just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We not cook so long. Okay. So first we add the chili paste. It's very spicy. So maybe 1 or 2 spoons. You see the color? And you need that. That's nice. So now we put the bowl and we open them. just gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce and a little bit of sugar, a little bit, not much. And that is soya sauce. I not use fish sauce because I already put the shrimp head inside, and for me, I don't think it's you need it anymore because it's just gonna make fish too sour. So you see now the tiger paw they get hard a little bit. You see that from the color. So we start to add baby corn. Add them all together. And we add string beans. Add a bit more water. You need a little bit of water. And then we're not too long on that. We're almost done. It's very hard. It's hard to smell here. I just taste a little bit how it's very delicious. So we're gonna put inside here. That is real authentic South Thai food. That is, you will not find much in Belgium. It's spicy, very spicy. Yeah. I just put it in the that's so one dish we just make them now with me. So is that one dish?